Evo nas, zjutraj smo vstali, po noč so nam navijači malo pokvarili noč z ognjemetom, to nas ni preveč zmotilo. Po zajtrku smo imeli aktivacijo, na to je sledil hitro sestanek.
Is everybody in this room with this mood? This animal has not a day like we had yesterday. Aggressive, hungry, desperate personality. Matke, what it means for you?
Desire.
Desire. Because I am in this mood. I'm already in this mood. Everyone knows which mountain is Everest? Everyone knows, no? They're saying, let's go to the Everest. Okay, let's go to the Everest. What it means to go to the Everest? The biggest mountain, the tallest in the world. What it means? You need preparation. Physically, you know how long you need. Mentally, even more. You need to prepare technically. You have to know what you're going to find there. In football, say, win. All your coaches, they say always win, no? Let's win. You need preparation. Preparation. But the most important, how we're going to win. And you know, you are ready. You are ready. So we can go. Forget about what we did in the past. Forget the score. Forget that we play already against this team. Today is just 90 minutes. And these 90 minutes, one thing in your brain, win. And to win, what do we have to do? To score. Have this in your brain. We don't change against any opponent. I don't give a shit who is my opponent. I don't care. I care about us. I care about ourselves. And what we're gonna do? We're gonna go for the opponent because we don't negotiate our way, our style. We go for the opponent and we're gonna bite them.
Tomorrow, everybody, including staff, has swimming pool and sauna all month. 10 to 12, sauna and swimming pool. And you say, to enjoy? Una mierda, to enjoy. Because we had Donjale on Sunday, we need to recover, and we're going to destroy them!